Namaste. This is Introduction to the Elements. The first thing that you have to understand is how the elements came into existence. So when God created this omniverse, first he conceived the entire omniverse in all of existence. After God conceived it, he spoke the word Om. And within the vibration of Om, the first element to come into play was ether. Ether is not just empty space. Ether is foldable, it's flexible, it's pliable. Right now, when I speak to you, my words, as I speak them, have to bend through space, otherwise they can never make it to you. From ether was born air, and the elements go from lightest to heaviest. So when air came into existence, it started to move around. Since it started to move around, it caused friction. Friction causes heat, which brings the element of fire. Then fire causes condensation, which brings the next heaviest element, which is water. Then water is the final medium between God's vibrational word and energy into physical matter and manifestation, which is the element of earth. That's how the elements came into play. Now, our first exercise is going to be touching the elements. Because if you want to be able to manipulate the elements, you have to create a relationship with them. And with this exercise, touching the elements, you're able to create a relationship and then move further in your elemental practice. So the first thing I want you to do is bring your attention to the tip of your nose and completely exhale. This is called the touching point. It's the point at which all the energy from the universe comes in through this point into your body. So pay attention to the touching point in front of your nose. Now inhale. When you inhale, before the air comes into the nose, you should be able to feel the space expand. When you feel the space expand, that's ether. The second element is air. Air is usually the most simple element for people because we feel it moving in and out through our lungs all day. We feel it moving over our skin, so usually people can touch air very easily. So again, exhale, inhale, feel the space expand, then feel the element of air come in through the lungs. When the element of air comes into the lungs, follow the element of air. As soon as it gets right here, you'll feel it touch the fire. There's heat. As soon as the air touches the fire, there's almost like an explosion. Then the air expands, it moves through the body, and then you feel the fire, and then when you feel the air expand, you'll feel the water. You'll feel the moisture touch your skin. Then the water falls down to the earth, and it manifests into the earth. So that's one cycle. Then when you exhale, feel the earth. From earth, go back to water. From water, go back to fire. From fire, go back to air. From air, allow the air to dissolve back into the ether. Let's practice. Pay attention to the front of the nose. Inhale. Feel the space expand. Feel the air come in. Feel the air come into the body. Feel it touch the fire. Then, after the air expands, when it touches the fire, feel the element of water drop. Then feel the element of earth, touch the element of earth. Then exhale, earth, water, fire, air, space. Inhale, space, air, fire, water, earth. Exhale, earth, water, fire, air, space. Then when you're done with the exercise, see if you can pay attention to and feel all 5 elements at the same time. You can do this exercise from anywhere from 3 to 20 minutes. And whenever you're done doing one of these occult exercises, mystic exercises, energetic exercises, you always see how long you can wield. So the goal is to start paying attention to the elements all the time. And by paying attention to the elements, it's much easier to keep yourself from clinging and becoming attached. After touching the elements, the next exercise I'm going to teach you today on this video, before we go further into our elemental practice, into the advanced practice, is the beginning on how to manipulate the elements. So you sit like this with the hands open. You close the hands. When you inhale the hand, the first time you feel the element of ether open up in your hand. So you feel the element of space open up and the orb opens. And as you're opening the hand, you open them for counts of 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You feel the element of space open. 1, 2, 3, 4. You feel the element of space close. 1, 2, 3, 4. You feel the element of space open. 1, 2, 3, 4. You feel the element of space close. Concentrate, feel, and visualize the elements. So you're bringing your feeling and your visualization together along with your concentration as you do the exercise. Let's do 3 repetitions of ether. Next, let's go into the element of air. Close the hands. Inhale, feel an orb of air swirling in your palms. Feel it expanding. Exhale, close the orb of air in the palms. Inhale, open the orb of air in the palms. Exhale, close the swirling orb of air in the palms. One more. Let's move on to the element of fire. Feel and visualize a fire burning in your palms. As you inhale, the fire expands. As you exhale, you close the fire and you put it out in the middle of the palms. Inhale, open the fire, expand. Exhale, close the fire in the center of the palms. Let's do 3 more. Good. Next, let's move into the element of water. Inhale, open the hands, feel an orb of water in the center of your palms. You can feel the wetness on your skin. Exhale, close the orb. Inhale, open the orb of water. Exhale, close the orb of water. Inhale, open the orb of water. Exhale, close the orb of water. And you can even feel the water get warmer and the water get colder as you get more advanced. But for now, let's just focus on expanding the water and closing the water. Let's do 3 more together. Then the last element is earth. I like to visualize myself putting my hands through the earth and picking up the dirt. And I also like to knock on the ground to really get to understand the element of earth. It's the densest element. So visualize yourself holding, opening, and expanding dirt or earth in your hands. Then exhale, close the dirt, compress it, compact it. Inhale, open the earth. Exhale, close the earth. Inhale, open the earth. Exhale, close the earth. Inhale, expand the earth. Exhale, contract the earth. Let's do 3 more. When I end this exercise, I like to do the elements from subtlest to grossest, one each. So inhale, open the ether, expand the ether. Exhale, contract the ether. Inhale, open the air. Exhale, contract the air. Inhale, open the fire. Exhale, put out the fire. Inhale, open the water. Exhale, contract the water. Inhale, expand the earth. Exhale, compact the earth. Then when you end, you sit for at least 1 minute paying attention to all 5 elements at the same time. Let's sit for 1 minute. All 5 elements are always present in your environment at all times, and they're always interacting with each other. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, guys. Long life, good health, and happiness.